and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for buffalo chicken egg roll and flatbread. This is such a great appetizer idea, and to get started, here I have my ingredients. I'll be using these mini flatbreads. I got this at my local grocery store and this is the brand. They are nice and small, perfect for an appetizer. And here I have my egg roll wrappers. I got that at the Asian store. I have a whole rotisserie chicken. It's a super small one, but if you want to make your chicken from scratch, you can go right ahead. I have mozzarella cheese, gouda cheese. I'll be using some hot sauce. This is the brand I'll be using, Sweet Baby Ray's, but you can use any brand that you like. I have onions, bell peppers, some cream cheese, ranch dressing, garlic. I'll be using seasoned salt and black pepper. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and break the chicken down. Remove all the bones and the skin from the chicken and strip it up just like I have it here. In a preheated skillet, I did add some oil, and now I'll add some butter, allow it to melt. Once the butter melts, we'll add our onions, bell peppers, and our garlic. We'll let it go for about 3 minutes just so it can soften up and release those flavors. Next, we'll add the seasoned salt and black pepper just to flavor this up a bit. We'll allow it to go for about a minute or so before adding the rest of the ingredients. So at this point, you want to turn your heat off and add the ranch dressing, the hot sauce, the cream cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and gouda cheese. We will mix until it's fully combined, and lastly, we will add the chicken. We will mix that in really well until it's nicely coated with this sauce, and then we will remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down a bit before we, create our little flatbreads and egg rolls. So you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and now we will add some of our mozzarella cheese on top of the flatbread first. We'll add the mozzarella cheese, then we'll add a little of that filling, the buffalo chicken filling, and we will place a little bit of our Gouda cheese over top. Once we're done filling all of them, we'll place this inside of the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they brown up, that's how you know they're done. And here it is after 20 minutes, all done. They smell amazing. We'll now set these aside while we prepare our egg rolls. So for the egg rolls, you'll need a brush and 1 egg. Next, we will take an egg roll wrapper, and you want to brush that egg wash around the 4 edges. And then we will take some of our filling and place it right at the part where you'll start rolling from. You don't want to put it in the middle. You want to place it right at a part you'll start rolling from. Then we'll put some of that mozzarella cheese over top, and we'll continue rolling till you reach to the middle part, and then fold the 2 ends in and continue rolling all the way to the other end. And you want to just press everything down and seal them together, and that's it. You want to continue this process until you're all out of the filling and your cheese. I did preheat some oil to 325 degrees. I don't want it too hot so the egg rolls can burn because they brown up pretty fast. So I have it at 325 and we'll place the egg rolls in there, and you want to cook them, and when they brown up on one side you want to flip it over and allow it to brown up on the other side. You know, just keep moving them around until they're brown and nice on all sides, and then we'll remove them and carry on with the same process until we're all done. And here you have it, guys, buffalo chicken egg rolls and flatbreads. This is the perfect appetizer idea if you're having friends over for a game night, or even if you have a little function like a baby shower or something. This is just perfect. It's quick, easy, and it's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!